In today's video, I will teach you how to create a spherical icon for websites using GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new image with the dimensions of 250 by 250 pixels. Now fill the background with a medium gray color. Now select the elliptical select tool from the toolbox, then hold the shift key and drag on the canvas to create a perfect circle in the center of your canvas. Now create a new empty layer by going to the Layers panel and clicking the Add New Layer button. Now choose this color as the foreground color and this color as the background color. Then select the gradient tool from the toolbox, then drag a gradient from the top to the bottom of the circle. Now we're going to add a feathered shadow. Ensure the circle selection is still active, then create a new layer and fill it with black. Now go to Select, then Shrink, and shrink the selection by 1 pixel. Now go to Select, then Feather, and set the feather value to 100 pixels. Now press the Delete key twice to soften the shadow effect. Now select the layer with the gradient fill, then go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Drop Shadow. Now set the X and Y offsets to 0 and opacity to 60%. Now we're going to add a highlight. To do this, select the gradient layer and right-click it in the Layers dialog and select Alpha to Selection. Then add a new transparent layer. Then set white as the foreground color. Then choose the gradient tool and select Foreground to Transparent from the drop-down menu. Then apply the gradient from the top to the bottom of the selection. Now go to Select, then None to deactivate the selection. Now choose the Scale tool, then click on the highlight layer. Then set the width to 175 pixels and height to 150 pixels. Then click OK to apply. Now use the Move tool to place the highlight at the top center of the sphere. Now go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then set the blur value to 5. Now use the Text tool and type a single character or symbol in white. For example, you can use a question mark. Now position the symbol in the center of the sphere, and in the Layers dialog, set the layer mode to Grain Extract for a subtle effect. Now make sure all elements are aligned and balanced. Then save your work in your desired file format. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.